How to remove background from images in Nanobanana.ai. First of all, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Nanobanana.ai website. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all editing features. Once you are on the website, click on Start Editing to open your project workspace. You will see options like Image Edit and Text to Image. Select the Image Edit option to begin working with your images. After uploading an image using the Add Image button, use the AI tools to remove the background. You can enter a prompt in the main prompt field such as remove background or make background transparent. Click on the Generate Now button and wait for the AI to process your request. Your image will appear with the background removed, leaving a transparent or clean background. You can further enhance the image by adding new backgrounds, filters, or effects as needed. Now you know how to remove the background from images in Nanobanana.ai. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.